those deer jumping on the side of that track. We'll watch it when he goes by.